Hi there, it's Miss Mason here, and today we're going to be talking about shades for art class. What you'll need is a piece of light paper and a pencil. Your pencil doesn't have to look like mine, it just needs to be a pencil or something that you can shade with. So, shades are different values of color. They're all the same color, but they're just different lightness and darkness to them. So we're going to color different shades with a pencil. Go ahead and draw a line down your paper. What color is your pencil? Your pencil makes the shade or the color gray. We're going to create some different shades of the color gray. The first thing you're going to do is you have to know that the shade is the amount of pressure that you're applying. You can color lightly by drawing like a feather, and you can draw heavy or make it closer to black when you color harder. So let's go ahead and use this line to make us a little box or a rectangle. Let's make a rectangle. In this rectangle, you're gonna draw some different shades, all right? So we're gonna start off by pressing really hard, all right? And you wanna scribble over and over as hard as you can, and oh, I scribbled so hard my pencil broke. I'm gonna keep scribbling until I make it very dark, all right? You don't wanna see any color in between. We're coloring until it's very dark. Keep going and shading until this whole area is really dark, all right? You're gonna press as hard as you can and make sure no color from the paper is showing. All right, do you see how dark this shade is? It's still gray, but it's so dark that it's almost black. And now, in the middle of our square, we're gonna color with a little bit less pressure, okay? So you're not gonna press as hard as you did, but you're gonna press a little bit lighter, okay? So you're gonna make a gray shade. Do you see how this shade of gray is a little bit lighter? We have really dark, we have medium dark shade of gray, and now we're gonna make very light. So that means you're gonna hold your pencil very lightly and barely touch the paper, all right? You almost want it to be like a light gray shade, almost like a white, all right? As light gray as you can, all right? Do you see how light that was? So we have light gray, we have a little bit darker of a gray, and very dark charcoal gray, all right? So what you're gonna do in between these two is find the shade in between. So there's that shade in between, and here's this shade in between. All right, I can't wait to see your different levels of color, your different shades of the color gray. I look forward to seeing it on Flipgrid, and I will see you there.